Honorable Chief Minister, bo pandan inaugurator ang bono hambaya payo. Bini BGS schedule nimsinga puno. Suno paya lokari mori pandawo sini Honorable Chief Minister no ang klumoya paya lamsawo. Bini logo-logo hambay maya painay. Sini kungthai barani hamkhrai montri noni biskang wachoye tongmo. Sini Brom na Minister Vikas Debarma jina pa hambaya payo. Sini nang biskang kau saya tharai. Sini Honorable MDC Sonjit Babu na pa hambaya payo. Sini PTG ni Chairman, sini BJP Janojati Morcha ni Secretary, joto officials, sini lovely publics nono hambaya payo. Tiniyo only 2 points I am going to address. I was not keeping well for the last 4-5 days. Since I knew on this very special occasion, our Honorable Chief Minister is going to come for the inaugurating of the program to interact with the public. So in spite of my ill health, I had come only to address on 2 issues, which our respected Songrongma Secretary has already delivered. I just want to add little more flavor on his speech. Tini kau sarma ke bosai kaham ke khalai de. Chungke sudur nayo, chungkhabo suya, arbai chungmaya. Takurok nalai de. Only 2 points. Last year, I was sharing a dice with our Honorable Tribal Affairs Minister, because Debarma, we were together on the dice on this very special occasion on the same stage that I also told and the public also addressed regarding the holiday declaration of Songrongma, all Songrongma festival as a state holiday. Number 1 agenda. Secondly, I would like to place in front of our Honorable Chief Minister that we have more than 2 kadis of plot in Agartala adjacent to the ILS hospital, and the other one is adjacent to the Chanmari, where it was allotted in the name of Songrongma, the land was allotted. So in consultation with the Honorable Chief Minister, I have written a letter and also sent an estimated technically approved budget or for the complete construction of the hostel, rest house and 1 community hall. Therefore, sir, on behalf of all the people, on behalf of Riang community, I would like to place before you, sir, please kindly notify. I am folding my hands in front of all the public and in front of you. Kindly notify Songrongma state holidays and for BSCO Hojagiri holidays. These 2 are the property of the Riang community, sir. And the other one is which I have written to you a letter. Portion Sanai, no, my joy can yapa kodi. How my jotono, Butopa, 1 check the Katandi, 1 book de Katandi, 1 book of the Maturai, Portion Sanai. Now Jotong Kau Tolarudi and Masaninai. Now Joto Signa, Jotono Kataha, Songrongam Ayuloto, Joton Kambai.
Thank you, and thank you so much, your valuable speech.